After about 2,000 miles on the road, we reached our destination, but that means one thing. It's cleaning day, and our rig and truck are disgusting. After driving through some pretty bad storms and highways, it is a hot mess, as you guys can see. But hey, I'm not too worried about it because the product I'm using is going to make cleaning this RV a breeze. So stick around, come check it out. Hey everybody, welcome back to Why Wait. I'm Chris, and today we are talking about cleaning the RV. A dreaded project, but we all got to get it done. Now, excuse the sunglasses, but we have an absolutely beautiful day here, and I don't think I'd get through it without them. Now, when it comes to cleaning the RV, you have a few options. One, you can pay a lot of money to have somebody else do it. Two, you can drive through a blue beacon on the road, which is okay once in a while. Number three, you can do it yourself. Now, personally, I like to clean my rig. I actually enjoy doing it. Maybe I'm a little sick, but I just find satisfaction from an extremely clean camper and truck, and I like doing it myself. One of the reasons I like doing it myself is, well, you get real personal and intimate with your RV. What do I mean by that? Well, when you're up there on the roof and you're underneath and you're cleaning all these things, you're doing an inspection as well. You're finding any problems that you may have, any tears, any issues. You know, you're going to get to know your RV real well and see anything that may be going wrong with it, you know, versus having somebody else do it. You know, you're not going to find out about these little things. So that's a bonus to doing it yourself. But just like everybody else, I do want to find the fastest way possible to do it, and I want the best product to do it with. And that's where Gabe's Pride RV Streaker comes into play. This is what I've been using, and it's the only product I've been using for, I believe, over 3 years now when it comes to cleaning my RV and my truck as well. The awesome thing about the Gabe's Pride RV Streaker is, one, it's eco-responsible, so you don't have to worry about putting, you know, contaminants into the earth and ground, especially if campgrounds, you know, are not fond of, you know, certain cleaners that you may be using. Number two, the stuff is just awesome. As you can see from some of the footage here, you can just simply put it in the foaming gun, you spray it on the RV, and you let the product do the work. Now, what do I mean by that, let the product do the work? Well, let's be honest. I can take, you know, a gallon of bleach and dump it all over my RV, and it's gonna clean it. I could take just water and a steel wool pad, and I'm gonna clean it if I scrub hard enough and I work hard enough. The idea is to let the product do the work. You want to do as little scrubbing and putting as little elbow grease into it as you can, right? If you have a high quality product, a high quality cleaning product, it's actually going to do what it's supposed to do, and that is clean. It's going to break up and loosen the dirt. It's not going to rely on you to scrub the crap out of it to breaking up and loosen the dirt. So with Gabe's Pride, the product is doing the work. With the awesome foam cannon, just spray it on and let the product sit. Let it sit there for about 5 minutes. Now here's the deal. You're not going to do this job on a hot, sunny summer day, because we all know if you try to clean on a hot, sunny summer day, any soap or product is going to dry up before you can rinse it and clean it. So obviously a basic tip is to clean in the shade, clean early in the morning, clean in the late afternoon, early evening. Maybe break it up and do one side that's in the shade one day and then do the other side that's in the shade the next day, because you really don't want the sun drying up the product. And again, you want to let the product do the work, so you do want to leave it on there for a little while. So you can see I like to spray it on, it foams up, it sits on there, and it's just going to start breaking down all the dirt and grime. So when it comes time for you, all you have to do is just agitate the product. I am not scrubbing hard here. I am not pushing hard. I'm not getting on this. I'm not scrubbing. I'm not getting a hand scrub to get the parts I missed. I'm simply taking this awesome, nice wool pad here that Gabe's Pride provides, along with this, you know, commercial grade product, this commercial grade cleaning pole, and I'm just agitating the dirt, just moving the product around. And once you guys rinse it off, that's it. You're pretty much good to go. Now let me show you some footage from a YouTube short I made a while ago where I decided to tackle my neighbor's camper. This camper had been sitting out in the elements for years and has not been washed in forever. As you can see, the roof was a hot mess, green algae growing everywhere. So I decided to go ahead and clean it, get the RV Streaker out, put it to the test. So I decided to get the old trusty foam cannon out. We jumped up on the roof and we were gonna give this a shot. Now, I will say this is not your average camper cleaning. This has been sitting here just building up dirt and mildew and all kind of crap for years. And as you can see, it's starting to come off. Again, I'm spraying it down, I'm letting the cleaner sit, letting it do the work, and then I'm just agitating the product. Now, this specific job did take a few coats. I had to let the product sit, let it dwell like we've talked about. Let that product break up the dirt, then just go ahead and scrub it. Again, I'm not putting tons of elbow grease into this, and you can just see the results. Here it is a shot beforehand, and after just letting the product sit, giving a little bit of scrub down, it's just like a whole new camper. I was pretty amazed at how clean this thing was turning out to look. With Gabe's Pride, it was just, breaking down the dirt and grime, and this camper started looking unbelievable from what it used to. You can see the roof. The before and after pictures, I think they speak for themselves. Now, you should never let your RV get in this bad of a state, but it just goes to show you that if you do, Gabe's Pride can tackle the toughest jobs. For those of you who follow along and watch my channel, you know preventive maintenance is a huge part of what I do, what I believe in, and cleaning the camper is part of that. Keeping these components clean is a huge part of that. Keeping the frame clean, the wheels clean, the moving parts on the slide outs. All of that is going to extend the life of your camper and systems. So cleaning is part of preventive maintenance. And again, this is the only product that I've been using for a long time. Yes, there's some other products out there that you can use. There's some cheap garbage out there. I get it. You can go to the dollar store and get some stuff. You can put it on. You can use tons of product. You can scrub the crap out of it to get it clean. But is it safe for your RV and the materials on your RV? Is it safe for the environment? Well, and how hard are you actually even working to get it clean instead of letting the product speak for itself and the cleaner do the work like we talked about? Now, a lot of people ask me too, well, how long will this last? How much can you clean with this? And well, with their foam cannon, which they provide, if you're going to use a foam cannon, pretty much a half gallon right here is going to do my entire rig, my 41-foot fifth wheel. That's the roof, the back, the front cap, the slide outs. I even usually do my frame and tires. This will cover the whole thing. I mean, if you don't want to do a whole major deep cleaning like every few weeks or every month, that's where the RV streaker comes into play, and that's right here. Now, this is just a little small sample bottle I have because I've run out of their bigger spray bottle because I love the stuff so much. But in between big deep cleanings is when you just use the RV streaker, and that is going to eliminate any of those black streaks you can't get off. When a bird craps on their RV, you missed a spot, you need to just touch up something. This is what you can use in between the big cleanings, the RV streaker spray. The stuff works awesome. It's, again, great on black streaks. Now, speaking of black streaks, there's another issue that comes up with these RVs, and it's on the slide outs. You may notice sometimes what looks like black streaks, but it's not exactly the dirt black streaks coming down from the roof. It's actually from where those D-seals compress and that rubber pushes up against your slide out, and it creates a real dark black streak on the inner wall of the slide out and sometimes on the side. And when you have those types of black streaks, which aren't your normal just dirt streaks, this is where Gabe's Pride bathroom cleaner comes into play. When you think of bathroom cleaner, well, these products are all made different. It all comes down to how they're broken down and their acidity and things like that. But this is going to eliminate that basically ground up rubber, that smeared on rubber on the side of your RV. As you can see in this video, it comes off with just a few drops. I just put a few drops of this on the rag, and then you just go ahead and wipe down those black rubber streaks that won't come off with any other product out there, and it just eliminates them super easy. I can pretty much put a few drops of this on a rag and do 2 to 3 slide outs, and that's it. And that way I'm not using all my bathroom cleaner that I'm saving for the bathroom, which, by the way, is awesome. And we do have other videos about that. I'll put links in the video description below to where we've used their bathroom cleaner. We've used their multi-purpose cleaner inside, which is one of our favorites. And we even have an older video where we go into more depth with the RV streaker and cleaning the whole rig and stuff like that. So guys, if you're looking for a product to clean the entire rig, you don't want to put a bunch of elbow grease into it. You want the product to actually do what it's supposed to and clean. You want high quality, commercial grade tools. Look into Gabe's Pride. Links down below. And don't forget to use our coupon code WHY-WAIT so that they know we sent you. Guys, that's going to wrap it up from here. Get out there, happy cleaning, stay safe on the road, and we will see you next week.